my journey had reached its end. I am Iron Man.
Hey guys, how are you? Hope you are all good. And today I'm going to draw Robert Downey Jr. and he is also known as the Iron Man. So keep watching. Please watch the video till the end and give your valuable words in the comment section. Thank you.
Don't know what's wrong, something isn't right. Don't feel I belong in the light. Passion has gone and love's taken flight. Things just feel heavy tonight. I'm tasting no tears, not fighting no fears, but still there's a hole in my heart. Not on my own, but I feel it sometimes, wondering what should I do. For reasons unknown, I don't need to decide. It's true that I don't have a clue. I'm tasting no tears, not fighting no fears, but still there's a hole in my heart. I'm wasting no time, not losing my mind, here till the day I depart. Don't know what's wrong, something isn't right. Don't feel I belong in the light. Passion has gone and love's taken flight. Things just feel heavy tonight. Things just feel heavy tonight.
You're mine for sure.
One day you'll figure this out. And when you do, you will change the world. What is and always will be my greatest creation is you.
We create our own demons. And so, my journey had reached its end. I am Iron Man.